The beach today. Orange Beach. Oh, Nally's getting tan. Yeah. Nally's getting tan. Dylan looking for some gold. Oh, there comes Jordan. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! And there's Dad and Dylan. I mean Logan. Huh? Oh, okay. What's that?
I don't know what the orange one is.
Orange cow. Yeah. There's the main character. He's finally get to be in the picture.